This is question number 1 on geometry homework number 17. The question says, from the top of a vertical cliff 40 meters high, the angle of depression of an object that is level with the base of the cliff is 34 degrees. How far is the object from the base of the cliff? So first we're going to draw the picture. So we know that we're on a cliff, and the cliff is 40 meters high. So here's the top of the cliff, here's the bottom of a cliff, and it's 40 meters. And then it says the angle of depression of an object that is level with the base of the cliff is 34 degrees. So if something is level with the base of the cliff, it's going to be on the base of the cliff. So I can put an object wherever. I'm going to put the object here. And it says that the angle of depression is 34 degrees. So if I connect these two dots, and just like what we talked about in class, angle of depression means from our normal eyesight, so that would be from here to here, to looking down. So this angle right here is going to be 34 degrees. Now that angle is not part of our triangle here, but we do know that if we could figure out this angle, then we would, well, we can figure this angle out because they have to add up to 90 degrees. And if we know that angle, then we can calculate any of the other sides. So to find this missing angle, let's go ahead and do 90 minus 34 because this forms a right angle. So 90 minus 34 would be 10 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 3 is 5. So this angle right here is 56 degrees. So now I have this right triangle with a measurement on one side and an angle measurement right here, 56 degrees. The question is asking how far is the object from the base of the cliff. So this was our object. This is the base of the cliff. We want to find this side. We don't know what this side is. So we have our right triangle. Here's my right angle right here. I'm going to label my hypotenuse, my adjacent, and my opposite. So this will be my hypotenuse. This will be my opposite. And then this would be my adjacent. So to figure out which trigonometric ratio we're using, we need to figure out which sides we care about. Well, we definitely care about this side because this side is going to be our adjacent. We care about this side because this is going to be my opposite. And we need to make sure that we're getting the correct trigonometric ratio. So if we look at our notes for today, we are given one side and one angle. So one side, one angle. We're going to use our regular trigonometric ratios. So over here, I'm going to use these ones, and I have 40, which is my adjacent, and I care about my opposite. So adjacent and opposite, that's going to be tan of theta, adjacent and opposite. Tan of theta equals, opposite over adjacent. And now I just need to plug in my numbers. So my theta is going to be 56 degrees. My opposite is going to be unknown. We don't know what that is, so I can put an O. And then my adjacent is going to be 40 right here. To get O by itself, we're going to multiply by 40 on both sides. These two cancel out, and I'm left with O. And I have 40 times tan 56. I will let you solve this on your calculator, but you're going to have an answer that says opposite is some number right here. So whatever you get right here represents the length of our missing side.